Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button. That is my dog saying hi. That's Bo saying hi. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos kinda every week. I know it's been a hot minute since I've recorded a video. Bo, I know even Bo's upset. Where's my videos? Where's the videos? Life happens, right? It can be hard. James and I, as many of you know, opened a home bakery, and it's crazy consuming of our lives. I miss making videos. I'm going to really push and try to be consistent as much as possible in the future. I miss y'all, you know? You know what I'm saying? I miss y'all. Yes, and Bo misses you. Oh, and Buffy misses you. Come on. Say hi to everybody. Kisses. So, a couple things. I just wanted to, number one, show you something that is crazy beautiful. One of my subscribers, Kristen, sent me this incredible drawing that her sister made, I think. Wow. Just absolutely wow. Look at that. That is my baby Tigra. Yeah, thanks, Kristen. Thanks, Kristen. Fucking bring in the waterworks. Anyway, this is crazy beautiful. I haven't put it in a frame yet, but I will, I promise. It's all hand-drawn. Like, the talent is outrageous. So, again, thank you so much. It means so much to me that you would even think of me and take the time to do that. So, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Number two, so we are going to be giving away those headphones from the video that I did last month. Sorry, hashtag late. So stay tuned to the end of this video because we will be announcing the winner. All right, let's get started. Today, we are going to be making a Mirror Glaze cake. So let's do it. So to start, I just baked off an 8-inch round white cake. I just cut the top off and flipped it over so it's nice and flat. And I'm just filling it with some plain white American buttercream. Using that same buttercream, I am icing the entire cake, the sides, the top, and just taking my spatula and smoothing out as best as I can. Now I did find, and you'll see later on in the video, that pouring the mirror glaze, you really need nice, clean, sharp edges. So take your time, and really make sure that you have a nice, clean looking, sharp cake. Then I'm going to throw this cake into the freezer for about a half hour. You really want a frozen cake before pouring. Next, we're going to bloom some gelatin. Blooming just means letting the gelatin sit for a good 3 to 5 minutes, so it ensures a really nice, clean, smooth texture at the end. So I'm just adding in 4 tablespoons of gelatin to a measuring cup. And then taking a 1/4 cup of water and just adding that in there. I'm going to give it a little stir, and again, let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes until that gelatin really absorbs all that moisture. Alright, so let's make some mirror glaze. So in a stainless steel pot, I'm just adding 1 cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 2/3 a cup of condensed milk, and finally we're going to add in our bloomed gelatin to the mix. Over a medium heat, I'm just stirring everything together and letting that come to a nice simmer. You really want to try to constantly move the liquid around because you really don't want anything to burn. So make sure that you're scraping the bottom of the pan. Here I'm just dividing that mixture into 3 separate bowls. And in each bowl I'm putting just a little bit of white food gel just to give it a really nice opaque color. Next, I'm just coloring my different bowls with different shades of blue. We have light blue, really, really dark blue, and I left one white. Next, I took my frozen cake and just put it on top of a 6-inch cake pan, right on top of a cookie tray. And then I started pouring. Look at this. This is amazing. Again, make sure you have a nice frozen cake before pouring your mirror glaze. Here I'm just taking a fork and I'm just kind of splattering the cake with some dots. Look at this. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. As you can tell from the beginning of the video, I did say I wish I had really nice, crisp, clean corners because you can kind of see the imperfections in the cake through the mirror glaze. Once your mirror glaze has set, you can take a sharp, hot knife and just run it along the base of the cake to kind of clean up those edges. Place it on a nice cake board, and there you go. Voila! One beautiful mirror glaze cake, and you can decorate accordingly. Some fresh flowers, some chocolates on top, any way you want it. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. I'll try. Alright, so we are going to announce the winner of the headphones from last video, which was last month. Sorry. The winner is, and it was picked at random, Phyllis Williams. Girl, you just won yourself some headphones. I'll be in touch. You can email me as well so I can get your address and I can mail them out to you. Bo is so excited that you won. Alright, congratulations, Phyllis. Everybody say congratulations to Phyllis. We'll see y'all next week. Mwah.